VW T4 two-berth camper van conversion. It's a 2.5 TDI. Excellent condition. Cam belt's been changed, water pump, diesel pump belt serviced, good solid body, tailgate model, nice original wheels with good tread, tow bar, it's a rock and roll bed, rear access there, nothing in the back, everything else is in the cupboards, good access there, good storage, back section here, top storage, bottom storage, there's nothing in there other than the wiring coming through for the reading lamp. Side windows, window deflectors, captain's seats in excellent condition, all the armrests solid, all work, gear lever extender, that's a must for a T4. I'm pretty sure that's the original radio, voltage readouts on the front there as well, excellent condition. Back, 3/4 rock and roll bed there, front and rear access to the storage underneath, which is, there's nothing, I've put nothing under there to keep the storage at the maximum. Try and do this one-handed, it worked the last time. Yep, so it just pulls up in the middle there, back so far, lift up, drop down, seat belts, good Inca fabric on this, which matches the captain seats. Grey laminate floor. I've managed to get muck over. Fitted a diesel, 8 kilowatts diesel heater there under the driver's seat. That runs directly into the fuel tank sender, so you've got no issues with filling diesel into SMAD 40 litre fridge with Henry waiting. Sink, gas, which LEDs, 4 at the front, 1 in the cupboard there for the electrics, fire extinguisher, leisure batteries below this with the split charger relay. I've kept that so you can actually store stuff in there. You've got the option actually to put something across the front there, it's another storage cupboard. Leisure battery up to 30 amp breaker, fuse box, there's only one going off that, which is into this. I wasn't happy with running a smaller wire down. I prefer to run the usual method of the larger AWG wire. Solar power coming in through the off the roof there into the solar box there. Push button cupboards, carbon monoxide detector, the unit, control unit for the diesel heater. There is also a remote for the diesel heater, remote there for the LED lights, and stickers there that I have to put on for what each one of these does. Formica top, really happy with that, that looks superb. Single gas, cover for that, sink, working. 10 litre main water, 10 litre grey. That's all plumbed in and ready to go. Gas holder there and top bit there, information there for it, and I've got to put a gas drop out there. That's still to do. Also made a table which it's a table in situ, same as the worktop there, full mica, gives a good finish. Everything's T-trimmed, adjustable leg, although it's obvious you've got to have it at the flat there. This is adjustable from, obviously you're sitting there, and it's adjustable to that side as well. There is a Thetford porta potty with this conversion. I'm yet to make the cover, and that's being done tomorrow. If you look at my other videos, there's one with a red T4. It's basically a carpet covered leather top seat, which is good because you can use, instead of the swivel seats with these, you can just sit on that there. And the standard 12 volts top lights there. Reading lights at the back there. .12 volt supply there, readout of the leisure battery, 2 USBs. There's also 2 USBs on the dashboard next to the voltage reader there, and if needed there's 2 on the solar box there. And this will be listed on eBay. Seventh of April 2023. And the other 2 LEDs are, there's one there so you can see the electrics, obviously when you take this out for the leisure battery, and there's one high up there which I'm going to move along slightly, which will illuminate the rear 2 cupboards up. Headlining carpeted, ply panels carpeted, fully insulated headlining sides. There's 6, 7, maybe 8 videos of the complete build. I run this van myself for 4 months, and yeah, excellent. Cam belt done, I think I've said that. Diesel pump belt done, tensioners, water pump, oil change. They're just excellent. 223,000 miles, irrelevant to be honest, they just go for double that easily. See there, no lights on the dash. I'll do a full video of maybe 10-15 minutes of driving the van tomorrow. Sensors here for a alarm immobiliser. It's on a button, press it twice to disactivate the alarm. That's it. So that's running 2 volts coming through.